like them. Jamming on the beat. It sucks me out and doing like them.
Hey guys. Hey guys. I'm just going to do this real quick video because I'm just getting ready to walk out the door to go with my granddaughter. Excuse me. But this company had reached out to me and wanted to work with me. And so I said, okay, we'll give it a try, whatever. Okay, and the name of this company is Las NV, like LAS, like Las Vegas, and NV, like Nevada.com. And they said, well, pick a couple things and we'll send them out to you. And they sent me the links. They sent me the things. Now this company is offering $10 off with no threshold by using Lost NB10. Also, if you spend over $50 over that $10, you get a $6 savings. And all that stuff will be down below in the description. All the links and the links to the items I chose will be down on the description. So here we go. Okay, this is the first thing I ordered. And I thought I had seen these on other sites and I was going to buy one. I said, well, let's just see what it looks like. So this is printed on, just so you know. And this is what it looks like inside. And there's a zip pocket right here. But, you know, you can fit a lot in here. As you can see, you can fit a lot in here. This is the size of the bottom. So nice. And for, let me check, $14.62 is what this cost. So you could actually get it for $4.62. And then then the second item I ordered was a set. I thought, well, let's dive into that and see what that is. So this set was $14.51. Now this is one of those sets that have the different size purses, and this is vegan leather. And this is just a little tassel that you can put to decorate the side of any one of these purses. So the first one I'm going to show you is the Tote. Now this is the stitch line. And this is what it looks like. This is the size of the strap. Okay, and inside it is just that. There's no pockets on the inside, but it does have a zipper. So it's a zipper tote. It does have hardware here to hang the longer strap that you'll have in this one. And then you get this little card wallet. This little card wallet. And now this I will probably just give to Caroline because it does not fit my needs. Okay. And then we have this little clutch. Now it has a wrist strap. And it has a little zipper. And it's just a pouch. I suppose you could keep your money in it. Maybe a lipstick. And this is the thickness of it. And of course there are a few threads here, but for $14.51 for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piece set. Okay, and here is your long strap, and you can put that on this one or the tote. And this is just, let me see. See, this could be worn as crossbody. And it does say JINGR. What does that say? GRHV is what it looks like. You decide. Okay. And I'll put this on there so you can see. It can be a crossbody. This is the crossbody, and this is the bottom. So it's about this thick at the bottom. And that's that. That's that. So you're getting one, and you can also use this strap on this. I hear this, it's impression, but it's JINGPIN. That's what it says. You can see it better on this one. But I do like the tote. I really do like the tote. I mean, it's something simple that you could take with you. You know, it's not going to be water, you know, like a canvas can't get wet. So anyhow, I'll leave all the descriptions and the link down below. Feel free to like and subscribe.